5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi and good day everyone. My name is Angelo Gantala and my topic is all about Module 5 Lesson 2 TPACK as a framework for technology-driven teaching and learning.
Here are the lesson outcomes. First, familiarize oneself with TPACK and ACMR model as frameworks in integrating technology in the practice of teaching. Second, selected and employed an appropriate technology, tool, or application in an instructional plan. Third, evaluated one's capability in integrating technology in his lesson. Last, identified learning theories and principles applied in the design and the development of lessons through appropriate media and technologies for teaching and learning. Shulman's Pedagogical Content Knowledge, or PCK, is a framework which involves the teacher's competence in delivering the concepts being taught by simplifying complex ones if needed or leading the students to study a concept more deeply and extensively. Measuring Color 2006 continued to build upon Shulman's PCK and incorporated technology, hence TPACK.
What is TPACK, or Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge? Below is the framework of TPACK. This framework shows the interconnectedness of content with pedagogical knowledge and the integration of technology in making teaching more engaging, relevant, and effective. Technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge, known as TPACK, is a theoretical model describing the capability of 21st century teacher. TPACK is about what teachers know, how they teach, and how technology is used in the delivery of the lesson to make it more engaging and making learning more relevant in the 21st century.
How does TPACK work? First, consider three domains: content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and technological knowledge. Content knowledge, or CK, is the what, your understanding and expertise of the subject area you teach, whether it's science, social studies, math, language arts, or all of the core curricular areas. CK is made up of all the facts, concepts, and theories of any given discipline. Pedagogical knowledge, or PK, is the how. Your expert knowledge of the art and science of teaching, from learning theories to instructional design. PK includes methods of teaching and assessment like project-based learning, as well as instructional strategies like think, pair, share knowledge of these principles. Pedagogical content knowledge, or PCK, is the intersection of the pedagogical and content areas, the knowledge that you have of how to effectively engage students in learning concepts and skills. This knowledge includes approaches for addressing different learning styles and scaffolding content for a deeper understanding. Next, we have technological knowledge, or TIKI, represents your knowledge about the tools, including how to select, use, and integrate technology into your curriculum. But it's not just about the devices, it's also the quality of content that students access through apps, websites, and games for learning by integrating technology into PCK.
Technological content knowledge, or TCK, refers to how technology is used in a subject area for deep and lasting learning. For instance, to further their understanding of a topic body, Scientists can use sophisticated tools to collect evidence, make observations, and document findings. Interactive software allows them to see their data represented in various ways application of such technologies. Technological Pedagogical Knowledge, or TPK, is your understanding of how to choose and manage technology for your students. For instance, what technology will best ease your students' workflow throughout their exploration of the scientific method. The intersection of all three knowledge domains, content, pedagogy, and technology, is the core of TPACK. This center area refers to your understanding of how tools can enhance your teaching and support student learning more deeply and effectively. For example, when learning about water pollution, students could explore 3D models of bacteria, cellular structure, and then create their own animated images to analyze local water sources. Then, they could share their findings virtually with a prominent field expert. This dynamic interplay of all three components is TPACK, the heart of innovative teaching. Knowing that each student, each teacher, and each classroom differs from a dotted line around the framework symbolizes the context that affects how a TPACK is applied in a practical sense. TPACK takes into account that every classroom context is unique due to variations in professional development, school climate, and available resources. In conclusion, the TPACK will help you remember to start with your content, pedagogy, and then layer technology. Sometimes we get excited about new technology and then we design a lesson around that particular tool, but in doing so, it's easy to lose sight of goals and objectives for student learning. TPACK reminds us that technology is just part of great teaching. It's rely on an intricate combination of content, pedagogy, and technology that make innovative teaching and learning.
For the continuation of our report, you are welcome to the Summer Model. Summer is a model designed to help educators infuse technology into teaching and learning. It was developed by Dr. Robin Pentadora, in which this model supports and enables teachers to design, develop, and infuse digital learning experiences that utilize technology. So this is the 4 different levels in 2 different sections in Summer Model. So the first one is the substitution. It is literally using technology as an alternate for the regular item that is employed in augmenting or assisting instruction. So let's say a task by a persuasive essay writing. I could write the essay by hand, or I could type an essay using the basic feature of the word processing program. The task is the same and there's no functional change, but the technology being used is a substitute. The next level is the augmentation. In augmentation, there is functional improvement in the use of a technology tool. So instead of writing a persuasive essay on paper, you can use a program like Google Docs. This software, the task is the same, but the unique feature of the Word document provides improvement. In both of these levels, the technology is used to simply enhancing lessons. The next level is the modification. In modification, technology is used to redesign a lesson. Example, teaching geography using Google applications with Panorama. So instead of writing an essay, a student can publish a WordPress blog using text, videos, pictures, and other web links to convey their argument. The audience is no longer just the teacher either. It's the entire world. People from anywhere with an internet connection could review or comment on the writing, allowing for deeper analysis. The final level of the ultimate goal of technology integration is redefinition. Redefinition represents the idea of creating something from the regular item. Technology allows the creation of a new concept that has not been previously conceptualized. Then, the transformation of learning.